Ladies and gentlemen, I'm Malcolm and I'm taking you behind the scenes of how applications actually work in production. And we are still on Kubernetes networking. Today we are talking about Gateway API. The Gateway API is a replacement for the Kubernetes Ingress object. Kubernetes Ingress object, although it works amazingly and a lot of organizations still use it very much in production and it works well for them, there are some limitations to the Kubernetes Ingress object. First and foremost, the Ingress object only supports HTTP and of course HTTPS traffic. It doesn't handle rate limiting and it is implemented differently depending on the Ingress controller that you have. So if you have Nginx, it might perform differently or might be implemented differently from how it would be if you have something like traffic, for instance. With the Gateway API, Kubernetes introduced this and it supports a wide range of protocols including HTTP, TCP, TLS and UDP. And also it's designed as custom resource definitions, and with that it can standardize the way it's implemented no matter the Ingress controller that you have. So if you have Nginx, for instance, the API gateway will still be implemented the same way if you have something like traffic, for instance, which is really good. It also helps you to handle a lot of other actions that you might want to perform before the traffic gets into your cluster. For instance, if you want to do things like rate limiting, if you want to handle authentication with your Gateway API, the Gateway API makes that easier for you. So with your Gateway API, it creates a set of custom resource definitions for you, which include things like instead of like with your Ingress object, it's just the Ingress object, right? But with the Gateway API, there are a couple of custom resource definitions that all form the Gateway API. Right? You have the gateway class, you have the gateway, you have the HTTP route, you have the TCP route, amongst many others. So I hope you test that out in your Kubernetes environment and let me know how it works for you. See you in the next one.